Now start 380 kV contact resistance test. This is the bus 2 and bus 1 is 1.5 breaker method. So we will test the complete one dia from breaker to this line until the high speed air switch, K8 24 and VT we keep it open, the VT disconnector keep it open, and this breaker also, type breaker also open condition, type breaker open and disconnector open, remaining we close, this breaker close, this disconnector 2, disconnector 1 and disconnector 9.2 and disconnector 9.4. so those disconnector will close. We'll check and check the single line diagram also. Here bus 2, this disconnector open, we close air switch, high speed air switch, normal air switch, we close this one, and the breaker close, this disconnector Q2-1 disconnector close, Q9-2 disconnector close, Q94 disconnector close, this air switch close, Q82-3. so VT in open position. Now the path will come through this point, this point, until we can check one complete dia, complete one line contact resistance. After that we test from this air switch to here until this 8-1. We will test another one from here, because it will cover from this air switch and this breaker, disconnector until this point we can check. See the here also the blue line they mention, the yellow line mention from here to there, this we will check right now. After from blue this point to this, it will go to here in the line, we'll test. This is GIB, so still not ready, so we can't do. Same here, this outside GIB still not ready, once ready we can do this later. So right now we will focus here. And another one, this blue dot from here to until this point we will do. So check here also, same this point to this point, we'll check a continuous contact resistance. So the point K820 and K824, we will check this 2 point, between the 2 point what is the contact resistance. So I keep it already all in close condition, and you can check the connection also. Connection, what I done connection, I close this air switch and my current lead and voltage lead both I connected together this point. But here I am not connected current lead and voltage lead. Here I connected only for voltage lead, current lead not connected, because this already grounded. Once grounded means it is grounded with the body, so we can take any near our body, because cable length also very long. I don't have a lengthy cable, that's why we can take any grounding point for current loop closing. Another one we connected from this point. You measure the resistance also. This is our report. The breaker AC 0, 22, 23, 24, total 3 breaker. Sorry, 21, 22, 23 breaker. Right now focus 22. K8 24, K8 20, R, Y, B. Only these 3. Already factory they tested. Factory result they calculated. The calculated resistance value 372. This is the value. And the threshold also maximum they range this much, 447. So after testing we will write our measured value. Check physically in the panel also. This bus 2, disconnector open, air switch close, breaker close, this other air switch open, this disconnector close, this disconnector close, line, this is the line disconnector, this also line disconnector, this Q92, Q94 and high speed air switch. We close it high speed air switch. So I connected here one voltage lead, not current lead, and here I connected a current and voltage lead. This current lead, the current lead I connected near the body grounding. You see in physically the VT also open. So now you saw the physical connections. This is my kit. Already this on condition. I will switch off the power supply. You see, this is the minus, this is the plus. We injected a DC ampere. The 100 ampere is the standard, so we injected this current. The connection, see, the bus to air switch. So bus to air switch I close it. Okay, bus to air switch close it. R pole, this is R pole, Y pole, B pole. So once earth closing, that means the conductor, inside the conductor path will be connected until this point. So this is the voltage lead, this is the current lead, we connected together. But the earthing couple we remove it. This is the earthing couple, same like this. So once we connect this one, this is the ground, body with the grounding. This is earth, body with the ground. So if we open, then it is not grounded body. We keep it one side grounded, body with the ground. Another side we keep it open, because both side, if both side we keep it in closed condition, then current not injecting. So that's why high speed, that's why high speed side I keep it in closed position, air switch close with the body, and disconnector side I remove the grounding. You see this phase you saw already. This another wire, current and voltage lead. You see the current lead I connected near the grounding. This is the body ground, near the body ground. And the voltage lead I connected in the high speed air switch. I connected a high speed air switch, the top, you can see there, high speed air switch in the top. Okay, but the grounding, high speed air switch in the top. So voltage wire only going to high speed air switch top, but the current lead not going. We'll start now. Switch it on. Once you switch on, this default mode, it is the DC. The default mode selection also DC. This is the function auto. Auto means once you vary the variac, it will reach the 100 ampere. The ohm also it will calculate it automatically. It is on will come. The DC on will come. If you put it manual, then you can increase the manual and you press the button, then it will come on. So I put it, it is on, DC on. Then once reach the 100 ampere, result will come. Okay, you see the variac. Okay, so I injected 100 ampere. It is reach around 285 micro ohm. I reduce. Okay, I change the auto function. 1 second, it is a save mode. I will make off. So now auto mode, I put it auto mode. Now you see it is on. Okay, so once reach 100 ampere, the result, the contact resistance value 287 micro ohm, it is off automatically, because this kit MOM690, it is little advanced. We can inject DC also and AC also, but Always contact resistance we injected a DC current only. You can see one more time also. 0. Okay, so 290. Check in the report and the result also. This 372 and 420. This 372. This little vary because I injected 2-3 times. So it is little hot. That's why maybe result will come a little less. We can check another time.